simulation acceleration. Now, simulation accelerators address the speed problem of software simulator by providing a dedicated execution platform for the simulator application and the SDL design. So the dedicated execution platform can be an emulation box, a hardware accelerator, or a rapid prototyping systems. What they're trying to say is, in big design, if you are running the simulation, okay, so it will take many hours in order to run. The only thing is that we are not simulating the design in real hardware, okay, because in real hardware, if it will take 5 seconds. The same time, if you need to mimic in simulator software, it will take 13-14 hours, you can say. Okay, it will take more time. So in that case, your speed is very less. It will take too much time to verify the design, right? So what all the solution are? Either you will go with emulation, either you go with hardware acceleration, or either you will go with rapid prototyping. Okay. Now we'll see what is emulation. So emulation is a technology in the world of a design verification that has become increasingly popular in the past few years. This technology has been successfully on number of complex design projects. So they are talking about history, that how it is popular. So it involves mapping the DUT into reconfigurable hardware platform built from the array processor or field programmable gate devices. So what they are trying to say, that instead of running the DUT in software in simulator, you burn the DUT in FPGA. So definitely when you burn the DUT in FPGA, in that case that is a real hardware, so it will simulate within 5 seconds. So emulation system can deliver very high simulation performance, so in that case you can increase the simulation efficiency. So what all the features that are associated with emulation is, enables the early creation of hardware model on the chip. So means this is prototyping, early model of hardware you can create on a chip, because you can check the functionality of the your hardware in real environment. That is what they are trying to say. In FPGA, now you're burning in FPGA. Enable the user to detect and correct the bug early in the design, because this is prototyping, so we can find the bugs here. Ability to develop and debug the application software. Now the software that will run on that hardware, we can start debugging that of software also. So that is application software. Like application means for that particular application, like for USB you're having one application software. Handle design complexity of, so this is a limitation, 50,000 to 20 million gates you can handle here. Run at near real time speed in some cases, means because it is in real hardware, right? So approximately it will run at the same speed which it will run in real applications. Reconfigurable for variety of application, again you can reconfigure as FPGAs. Scalable as per design complexity and cost. So they are telling it is scalable, and because it is programmable, every time you can reconfigure it. Ability to connect in circuit simulator, so you can connect it with the emulator also, IC. Inbuilt logic analyzer facility for debugging, so if you want to see some waveform, you can use logic analyzer and you can analyze those things. Probes and monitor pin signal in the system, so these are the signals which will connect to that CROs, so that probes or to the system you can connect the pins. Okay. So bus models for standard buses such as peripheral, component interconnect, Ethernet and others. Some of the standard buses also they mimicked in the boards. Okay, so like PCI bus, they have mimicked all those things. So those things are available nowadays in industry. So the emulation solution available in the industry are array processor